Wonderful good morning to all my Patans. So today we are going to do the next chapters of GK. Chapter number 23, Languages of the World, and chapter number 24, Monuments of the World. So everyone just take out your books, open chapter 23, Languages of the World, and everyone just take out your pencil, eraser, all your stationery with you. And now we'll start the chapter number 23, Languages of the World. So this is your chapter number 23, Languages of the World. So we all know that every nation has its own national language, like we have Hindi as a national language. So similarly, every country has its own national language. So here some countries and their languages are given. So we have to match them with their national language. So for matching, no one will use the line. You have to write the numbers behind them like I have written. In the same manner you have to do. Okay. So we'll start now. First is Brazil, and the national language of Brazil is Portuguese. So last one is the Portuguese. So you have to write number 1 behind it. Okay. Now come to the second one, Bhutan, and the national language of Bhutan is Dzongkha. D is silent here. Okay. Dzongkha is the national language of Bhutan. Now come to the next one, that is China, and the national language of China is Mandarin. So you have to write number 3 behind Mandarin. Everyone just keep doing with me. Now fourth is Myanmar, and the national language of Myanmar is Burmese. So you have to write number 4 behind Burmese. Fifth is Bangladesh, and the national language of Bangladesh is Bangla. You can see here at M, and you have to write number 5 there, Bangla. Okay. If anyone has any doubt in any of the country and their language, you can ask. Okay. So next is Germany, and the national language of Germany is English. English you will have at 2 places, at G and at K. Okay, so you can write 6 here or 10 here, wherever you want. Okay, so Germany and USA, United States of America, has their national language English. English is the national language of Germany and USA. So that's why at 2 places English is written. Okay, so you can write number 6 here, or number 10 here, or number 6 here, or 10 here. 10 is USA, United States of America. Okay. Now come to the next one. Next is Nepal, and the national language of Nepal is, you must be knowing, and the national language is Nepali. Okay, so you can write number 7 behind Nepali. Next is France, and the national language of France is French. You can see here French. So write number 8 behind French. I hope everyone is doing with me. Now come to the next. Next is Spain. The country is Spain, and the national language of Spain is Spanish. You can see here Spanish, and write down number 9 behind it. Okay. If I'm going fast, just let me know. Okay. Now 10th we have already done, that is USA, United States of America, and the national language of America is English. Okay. 11th is North Korea, and the national language of North Korea is Korean. You can see here at number 1. So you have to write number 11 behind Korean. Okay, so write number 11 behind Korean. Now come to the next one, that is 12th, Russia, and the national language of Russia is Russian. You can see here Russian, so write number 12 behind Russian. Now number 13, Sri Lanka, and the national language of Sri Lanka is Sinhalese. Here you can see Sinhalese. Write number 13 here. Now 14th is Greece, and the national language of Greece is Greek. Greek is here, so you have to write number 14 here, Greek. Okay, now the last one, Thailand, and the national language of Thailand is Thai. So you have to write number 15 here. Okay, so do you know Mandarin Chinese is the most popular world language? जो चाइना की लैंग्वेज है मैंडरीन, वो वर्ल्ड में सबसे पॉपुलर है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ योर चैप्टर नंबर 24, लैंग्वेजेस ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. इफ एनी ऑफ यू हैव एनी डाउट यू कैन आस्क. नाउ आफ्टर दिस वी विल मूव टू द चैप्टर 24. So this is our next chapter, chapter number 24, monuments of the world. Okay, so here in this chapter we have to read the clues and identify the pictures, and we have to write the name. As you can see here the pictures, these are some famous monuments of the world. So clues are given and we have to write their name. You can also see help boxes here. So spellings you can see from here. Okay, so we'll start doing now. Okay, so first one is, this French palace is perhaps the most expensive palace ever built. So the picture you can see here, ये आपका फ्रेंच पैलेस है एंड इट इज़ द मोस्ट एक्सपेंसिव पैलेस जो अभी तक बना है ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. ओके, ये वर्ल्ड में सबसे एक्सपेंसिव पैलेस है. सो विच पैलेस इज दिस? द नेम इज वर्सेलेस. सो पैलेस ऑफ वर्सेलेस इज द आंसर. सो विल राइट हियर पैलेस ऑफ Versailles. Okay, you can check your spellings from the help box here. Okay, now come to the second one. It is the residence of the Pope, the head of the Roman Catholic Church. So you can see the picture here. So ये क्या है? रेजिडेंस है. यहाँ पे जो है रोमन कैथोलिक चर्च के जो पॉप होते हैं, हेड होते हैं, उनका ये रेजिडेंस है, वो यहाँ पे रहते हैं. सो इस रेजिडेंस का नेम क्या है? द नेम ऑफ द रेजिडेंस इज वेटिकन सिटी. सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर वेटिकन सिटी. ओके, so everyone write down Vatican City. Be aware of your spellings. Okay, now the third one, this huge clock is in St. Stephen's Tower in London's House of Parliament. You can see the clock here. This is the clock. Okay, ये सबसे बड़ी clock है which is in St. Stephen's Tower इन लंडन्स हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट. ये लंदन के हाउस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट में सिचुएटेड है ये क्लॉक, एंड द नेम इज़ बिग बैन. सो हेयर वी हैव टू राइट Big Ben. You can take help from the help box. So everyone just write Big Ben. Now we'll move to the next one, the fourth one. This memorial in the USA has the faces of 4 presidents of America. So you can see the 4 faces. ये अमेरिका के 4 प्रेसिडेंट्स के फेसेस हैं. ओके, ये उनकी मेमोरी में बनाया गया है, 4 प्रेसिडेंट्स की मेमोरी में. सो द नेम ऑफ दिस मॉन्यूमेंट इज माउंट रशमोर. सो हियर वी हैव टू राइट माउंट Rushmore. In the last there is E. Okay, Rushmore. Or we can write at below Mount so that you can see clearly. So here we'll write. Okay. So everyone, in the fourth one you have to write Mount Rushmore. You can see the picture here. Just keep writing with me. Now come to the fifth one. The structure in China is the only man-made structure that can be seen from space. So this must be, you must all know this place. You can see here, this is the Great Wall of China. Okay, so ये मैन मेड मीन्स ह्यूमंस द्वारा बनाया ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर है जो कि हम स्पेस से भी देख सकते हैं. इट इज़ द ओनली स्ट्रक्चर. ये दुनिया में सिर्फ एक ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर है जिसको हम स्पेस से भी देख सकते हैं. ओके, एंड द नेम इज़ ग्रेट वॉल. सो राइट हेयर ग्रेट वॉल. Okay, the fifth is Great Wall. Now the last one. In ancient cathedral in Istanbul in Turkey, it was built between AD 532 and AD 537. So ये एंशियंट कैथेड्रल है जो कि इस्तांबुल में है, in Turkey country. So the place is Saint Sophia. So we'll write here Saint Sophia. Saint Sophia. You can check your spellings from the help box here. Okay. Now you must be know about these facts also. The Palace of Versailles. The Palace of Versailles is the French palace, world's most expensive palace. So in that palace there are 1300 major rooms. इस पैलेस में 1300 मेजर रूम्स हैं एंड कुड accommodates 5000 पीपल. और इस पैलेस में 5000 पीपल रुक सकते हैं. एंड वेटिकन सिटी, the city where the head of the Roman Catholic Church used to live, is the smallest country independent in the world with an area of just 0.44 hectares. So it is the smallest country in the world, okay, having the area of 0.44 hectares. So this is your chapter all about the monuments of the world. If anyone is having any doubt, you can ask related to this chapter or chapter number 23. And as you can see, I have written this chapter can come in the form of one word or in the form of fill in the blanks, fill-ups. And your chapter number 23, it can come in the form of match the following, one word answer or fill in the blanks. So you have to prepare accordingly. I hope everyone has completed chapter number 23 and 24, and now you can ask if you have any doubt. So this is all about your today's class. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the live session also. So everyone, just complete chapter 23 and 24 in your GK book. So thank you for attending the class. We'll meet in the next class. Okay? Thank you. Take care.